Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a common task: withdrawing Chainlink, Link, from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, I'll walk you through the updated process step by step, so you can do this confidently and securely. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have both a Coinbase account and a Coinbase Wallet app installed on your device. This is crucial for seamless transfers. Start by logging into your Coinbase account using your email, phone, or authentication method. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Portfolio section and locate Chainlink, Link. You'll see your balance there. Double-check it to make sure you have enough to withdraw. Next, click on Chainlink to open its details page. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. It's usually prominent. Now, enter the wallet address from your Coinbase wallet. To get this, open your Coinbase Wallet app, go to the Receive section, and select Chainlink. Copy the address carefully to avoid any errors, as crypto transactions are irreversible. After pasting the address, specify the amount of link you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs before proceeding. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and verify the transaction with your two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security. Sit tight while the transaction processes. It usually takes a few minutes on the Ethereum network, which Chainlink uses. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to see your link arrive. If you run into issues, like delays or errors, double-check the network, make sure it's Ethereum, and your wallet compatibility. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your Chainlink. This process keeps your assets more decentralized and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.